Hi, I'm Damien Fahy, the founder of moneytothemasses.com. I founded Money to the Masses in 2010 because I grew frustrated with the fact that there wasn't enough information and guidance out there for normal people about everything to do with money. Our YouTube channel brings together all our video content covering everything from financial products through to things like mortgages, investing, even down to just plain old money tips. If you look at the logo, it encapsulates everything that Money to the Masses stands for. It's a protest banner, so Money to the Masses is a protest against the status quo where anything to do with money or advice is only for the rich. Now, I wanted to do something that enabled everybody, including you, to be able to access information and guidance that was relevant to you. And most important of all, it has to be free. Fast forward to today and we help over 1.5 million people a year via the website. On our channel you'll find our shows like Millennial Money, like my midweek market show where I tell you everything about investment markets and distill it down into easy to understand tidbits. There's also 2-minute videos that answer your questions that you send in, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to go to moneytothemasses.com, which is the home of Money to the Masses, where you will find links to everything that we do, including our weekly newsletter.